Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you find yourself constantly distracted by your phone, you're not alone. Today, we'll be diving into some of the best app blocker apps for Android that can help you take control of your screen time and boost your productivity. These tools are designed to minimize distractions and encourage healthier digital habits. Let's get started and discover the perfect solution for your focus challenges. 1-second App Blocker Focus. 1-second App Blocker Focus is an innovative app designed to help users reduce distractions and improve their focus. The app works by asking users to pause and confirm their decision before opening specific apps, creating a moment of reflection that can deter impulsive usage. Users can customize which apps to block and set time limits for usage, allowing them to take breaks and engage in productive activities. The app also features a clean and user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and customize settings. With 1 second, users can create healthier digital habits and regain control over their screen time. Stay Focused App Blocker. Stay Focused App Blocker is a comprehensive app designed to help users manage their screen time effectively. It offers multiple features, including the ability to block specific apps or websites, set usage limits, and schedule breaks. Users can also track their app usage over time, gaining insights into their habits and identifying potential areas for improvement. The app provides a distraction-free mode, which can help users concentrate on tasks by blocking access to social media or games during critical work hours. Stay Focused's powerful features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to boost productivity and maintain better focus throughout the day. Lock and Block App Blocker. Lock and Block App Blocker is a straightforward and effective app designed to help users control access to distracting applications. The app allows users to set up a password or pattern lock for specific apps, ensuring that they can't easily open them without authorization. This is particularly useful for preventing distractions during work or study sessions. Lock and Block also allows users to schedule app blocking times, enabling them to enforce self-discipline when needed. With a simple interface and robust features, Lock and Block is a great tool for anyone seeking to minimize distractions and improve their overall productivity. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best app blocker apps helps you regain control over your phone usage and enhances your productivity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful app recommendations. Which app blocker are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time.